Hi guys, welcome to the Wow family. So today we're going to play a little bit with density. Different densities of different substances, and we're actually going to see if different objects sinks and floats. So first we're going to use some water.
Yes, water first.
Water first, because water is the most common substance.
Yes. Alright. So we have some blue food coloring here, and we're going to put in the water. One drop should be fine because this star color is pretty dark and strong. So one drop.
That is correct.
Ooh, we need something to
So let's shake it, shake it,
shake it up. Shake it up.
Earthquake. There we go. So the second substance we're going to use is some honey. Nature's best friend.
Yeah.
So let's see what actually happens, because we did the water first. Now we're putting, the honey is falling straight through. Look at that.
Oh yeah, baby.
That's
Bring the honey.
Full one.
The water's going up. I just saw the water go up.
Yeah, that actually
water's
looks
going up.
so cool. So that almost looks the same. Made
Made
some
a
bubbles.
sound.
That's true. Okay, so now we've got our honey, which we've shown that honey is denser than the water, because it went straight through. So what do you think is going to happen with the oil? It's also going to fall through?
No, I think it's gonna stay on top.
You think it's going to stay on top. So
Yes.
let's see if that happens.
Pour it
This is actually going to be
in.
interesting. You're right.
Oh, it's going through the honey.
No, it's not. It's actually coming up in bubbles. It's floating.
Yeah, it's going through the honey, then bubbling up.
It looks like jello.
Oh yeah,
It almost looks almost like a lava lamp experiment we did.
Yeah.
It looks fantastic. Now we're just going to wait about 10 minutes for the bubbles to settle down, so you can clearly see the 3 different layers of our honey at the bottom, which is denser than the water, and the water is denser than our oil. We'll see you soon. Welcome back guys, it's been 10 minutes and we've got perfect layers. So we found some everyday household items that we scavenged around to find, and we're actually going to drop it and see, and Miané has to guess where it's actually going to land. So if you've got a heavy object, in theory it should sink all the way to the bottom, because the object is going to be denser than the substance. So let's see what happens. So first, we've got a squishy unicorn. Oh, it's got some water in it.
Yes.
So Miané, where do you think this is going to land? Is it going to be on top? Where do you think it's going to go?
I think it's gonna be on the top.
Brilliant.
Alright.
Let's see.
1, 2, 3. That's right.
You're right. It's on the oil. So what does that mean? It's not even sinking into the oil.
It means that it's light.
Yes, it's less dense than the oil.
Yes.
So that's why it's drifting on top.
Yes.
Okay, so that's the unicorn. Now, let's try something a little bit heavier. So we've got a small screw. Where do you think this screw is going to land?
In between the honey and water.
Okay, so let's see. Drop it in for us. Let's see. Moment of truth. It's all the way to the bottom.
That's how heavy it is.
It's right at the bottom.
That means the nail is heavier
Yes,
than
it's
honey.
more dense than the honey, than
Yes.
the water and the oil. That's why it sank all the way to the bottom.
Yes.
Now we've got a cute little doggy.
This is actually one of mine.
Don't throw me in. We have to. It's an experiment.
I think it's gonna be like the same tree we had lost in between.
In between. Okay, let's see where it goes.
In between. Yeah.
In between there. Oh, that could happen. Let's see. Oh! It's slowly sinking. It's like quicksand. You were actually 100% correct. It's more dense than the water, but it's less denser than the honey.
Yes.
So that's what's actually floating on the honey. Oh, good job. You got that one right.
Thank you.
So next, we have a
Birthday
birthday
candle.
candle.
We're actually gonna save that for my birthday. It's coming pretty soon.
Yes, but it's fine. But now we're using it for the experiment. So where do you think this one's gonna go?
I'm not sure. I think it's gonna be like either in the water or on top of the oil.
Okay, so let's drop it in. Ah,
It's in the oil.
it's actually in. Let's see if it, when it flips over, if it's going up. It's going up. Ah, it's actually floating on the oil, so it's not dense enough to go through the oil or the water or the honey.
Yeah. My dog is all the way at the bottom now.
That's true. So what we can do is, let's get another candle. Take off the plastic tip, because it could be that it's actually the plastic tip that's making it float. So try this one. It's got no plastic. It's floating.
In between the oil.
I guess you can almost say it's as dense as the oil. Because
Yes.
it's floating right in the middle of the
Which
oil.
means that the plastic helps the candle float.
Exactly.
Going down very slowly.
Yeah, it's going down very slowly. Yes, but I think it's safe to say that it's almost as dense as the oil.
Do the Minecraft here.
Minecraft, Lego.
This actually came with a Minecraft Lego
Yeah.
set.
I
This
think
is
you should put
Steve
it on the
if you don't
rim.
know Minecraft.
I think you should must put it on the rim and let it make a dive.
Oh yeah, true.
Let's see.
So puts his arms up so he can dive.
Yeah. On your marks.
Get set.
Get set.
Go.
It's
He's ready.
definitely denser than air. It's definitely denser than the air.
Alright, 1,
2, 3, go. Oops.
He didn't dive. He face planted
it's-
into the water.
It's face planted, but it's floating.
Oh no, you can't breathe.
That's okay. Yeah, he must learn to swim on his back. It's
Yeah.
unsafe to be. Okay.
Yeah.
So next we've got a
It's
crayon.
actually from one of my crayons.
So where do you think this is gonna go?
I don't actually know.
Okay, that's also a good guess.
Alright.
If you don't know.
1, 2, 3.
Coop. Ah, it's all the way. So it's denser than the oil, but it's not dense enough to go through the water. So it's actually floating on the water.
Wait, what if I did like
No, I don't think it would. Now we've got a coin.
coin?
It's actually a South African coin.
I think it's gonna go all the way to the bottom because it's pretty heavy.
Yes, I think so too. So let's see what happens.
Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Clip, clip. All the way to the bottom.
Oh, wait, it's
Wrong! That ain't my first dive.
a nail.
I did.
Oh, my poor little doggy can't swim.
Oh, did the doggy sink now?
Yeah,
Oh, the doggy was in between, so it actually went through now.
yeah.
Oh, so the dog is actually denser than the honey as well.
Why is there a marshmallow here? We
It's
have
an
more,
everyday-
we have
It's an
more.
everyday item.
We have.
We have more. Well, let's try the marshmallow.
I think it's gonna be on top of
You think so? Okay, that's your theory. Let's see. Let's see.
Move.
Let's make space.
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Wait, let's try and see if we can put it into the water.
Well, we can do that just now. So let's see if we take it all.
True.
Boop.
Now it's just
It
messed
bounced
up.
all the way to the back. Two more items, because these two are both lids, so they should do the same. What is that?
I think it's cherry juice.
Ah, it's a mini. It's a little mini. It's a little mini bottle.
Looks like it's written in.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't. Okay. I think it's gonna be on top of the oil, maybe in the water, maybe.
Okay, let's try it. Let's see.
I like the color.
Oh! It
It's-
actually
wait.
fell down.
Wait, that's because it filled up. Because
That's
it filled up, there's a little hole at the
true.
bottom.
Oh,
So
it's
it happened to
actually-
both of my theories.
So that's actually denser than the oil.
It's a coincidence. It's
Yes.
both of my theories.
That's correct.
So what a coincidence.
So Miané, so this is a plastic lid. And this was plastic. We took this off because it makes the candle float. So what do you think is going to happen with that? One put it together. That won't work.
I think they're gonna be at the same.
Okay, put them both in. Let's see. Floating as we expected. And it's floating, sinking, floating, sinking. Oh, it's actually sinking. I can't believe it.
Because I filled it up.
I really thought it's going to float on top of the...
It was, but I filled it up so it's sticking onto the bottom.
Ah, you see, there's no air. You took out all the air.
Yeah.
So it's actually denser than oil. I did not expect that. That's so cool. So guys, there you've got it. Demonstrating some density. Hope you enjoyed the day with us. And stay tuned for more fun family experience with the Wow family.
Yay!
Bye.